Welcome. In front of me is a REALME C21Y, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of this device. So when you boot it up for the first time, you'll be presented with this screen right over here. So all you need to do is select your language right here and then select Start. Choose your region from the list right here, or select Skip, and this will bring you to the next page, which is connecting to mobile network, aka SIM insert page. Now this page is basically useless because you can insert your SIM card at any moment in time and it literally doesn't change anything. You can insert it midway through the setup and it will still give you, as an example, PIN pop-up the same way as if you would do it right now. The only reason it is here is because next page we have Wi-Fi connection, and if you choose to skip both of them later on throughout the setup process, I believe it's like the next page, either you will see a Google login page or you won't, depending if you connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of network or if you didn't. And I'll be skipping it, so obviously for me it won't show up at all. And additionally, date and time will not be set automatically, so I can fix it up right here if it's incorrect. And also I can disregard it if I want to, because once I connect to some kind of network, it will be then set automatically anyway. So I'm just gonna skip this anyway. Moving to the next page, and this is the Google services page. So we have things like location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. And briefly touching upon all of these, location is just the GPS tracking. Scanning, sending user or allowing the device to see Wi-Fi and Bluetooth signals, and then sending user and diagnostic data allows Google to gather data on you and send it to themselves. Now this one is kind of creepy, so I'm just gonna turn it off and move on. And this brings us to the screen lock. So by default the phone opts into a 4-digit PIN. If you want to use a different screen lock, you can do so by selecting one from here. And additionally, you can just not set any kind of screen lock if that's something that you want to do by clicking skip right over here. But I'm going to be using a screen lock, so I'm going to draw my screen lock. I'm going to repeat it and confirm it, and this will automatically set it up. Now once you set up some kind of screen lock, it also goes to the fingerprint ID. So additionally, you can add this to your unlocking methods or skip it if that is something that you don't want to add. And this will bring us to terms of service. Obviously no phone can go without terms of service, because why would you not be obligated to something on your phone after purchasing it? So we have the I agree to the REALME smartphone user agreement. You can tap on that blue text to read exactly what you're agreeing to. And then we also have this one, which is optional and for some reason also enabled. So I'm going to disable it. We don't need to agree to this one, which is a privacy statement of the user experience programs. Obviously you can also tap on it and read exactly what it is. But at the end of the day, the first one needs to be selected, and then you can go to the next page, which looks like concludes the setup. So let's select get started, and there is our home screen. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.